Welcome back. It's now time for Midday Sports.
West Indies legend Sir Richie Richardson says he's encouraged by the interest shown by corporate India to help West Indies cricket financially. Richardson, along with Sir Vivian Richards and Brian Lara, were recently in India where they met with prospective sponsors on behalf of Cricket West Indies after the regional governing body projected a difficult financial period between now and the end of 2026.
Based on the feedback that we got from a number of these sponsors, it was a really successful trip. There you meet some really big guys, some big players over there. TV networks, owners of franchises, and they all has a lot of sentiments when it comes to West Indies cricket, and express interest in being part of the comeback.
Jamaica Olympic Association President Christopher Samuda has hailed the selection of Ahmedabad in India as hosts for the 2030 Commonwealth Games. Samuda has described India's selection as a deserving choice that will mark a new chapter for the event.
It's a mere formality for Ahmedabad to take home the bacon, and deservingly so. The 2030 Games presents an opportunity for India to modernize and monetize what it delivered in 2010 at the Commonwealth Games in Delhi. I have no doubt the vote will carry. Games regionally and internationally, they have evolved, and the Commonwealth Games now face competition, stringent competition from Olympic and other games, not only as a sporting event, but critically as a commercial product.
16-year-old Jamaican-born Japanese sprint sensation Kyle Merritt says he's eyeing competing for Jamaica in the future. Merritt, who left Jamaica at age 6, sped to a personal best 10.51 seconds at a regional meet for his high school in September to qualify for the Japan National High Schools Championships. TVJ Sports caught up with Merritt in Japan, and he explained that while harboring hopes of one day competing for Jamaica, he's still undecided about which colors he'll don internationally.
I've been living in Japan more than Jamaica, and I've been getting to their culture. And Jamaica level is way different than Japanese, so it'd be harder to make a team for Jamaica. But I'm not saying it will be easier. I'm not saying Japan is low leveled, but compared to Jamaica, it'll be harder to make a team. So thinking of making a team, I'll say Jamaica, I'll say Japan, but I can't let down my country. So yeah.
So by heart, is Jamaica at heart?
I'll say yes.
And that is it for your Midday Sports Roundup, and I am Jermaine Brown.
Thank you, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News Package. I'm Carrie-Ann Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.